Hi everyone, I'm Nilima and I welcome you back to my channel Exploring MS. So, as we all know that MS is very unpredictable and, there are a lot of unseen symptoms, right? Invisible symptoms. I wanted to talk about something very personal. I'm sure every MS patient might have gone through it. So, this is mainly for the ones who are, friends and family of people suffering from MS. I would like to talk about something that one should not say to an MS patient, because the intention might be good, but saying these things might just hurt at times. I totally understand that people might be speaking it with good intention, but sometimes what happens is that it does not come out to be the way that you have spoken, right? So that's what I wanted to talk about in this video. So first and foremost, do not say something like, but you look fine, you don't look sick. As I've covered in my previous videos also, there are a lot of symptoms that an MS patient goes through. Some of it are totally invisible, like brain fog, right? MS fatigue. These are the kind of symptoms which are totally invisible. So looking at someone, you will not be able to judge whether the person is fine or not. So when you say something like, oh, you are absolutely fine, it might just hurt the other person. And also MS is very personal. No two people suffering from MS might be at the same level. A person suffering from MS might be in a wheelchair. A person suffering from MS might be in their best of health. So you cannot compare with these two people who are suffering from MS, right? As I said, MS is a very personal journey. I had shared in my some last video, I guess. I felt a little upset, when somebody told me, I mean, a friend introduced her friend to me, and then she was like, oh, she's suffering from MS. And then the other person says, oh, but you are fine. So the question was, should I not be fine? So I did not feel comfortable at that point in time, honestly. Now I'm assuming that this person might have seen another MS patient in not a good condition, right? Because there are different types of MS. One is the RRMS, right? And then there's like progressive MS, when your MS has already progressed to the level that maybe you are not able to walk or talk, because MS is a disease of a central nervous system, and your brain is it's like your supercomputer, right? It controls everything. So people who are at the advanced level of MS might not be doing really well. I just hope that they would, something should come out to control those people suffering from advanced level of MS too. But then there are three level of MS, right? So someone who's suffering from RRMS might still be relatively in better compared to the other two. So someone saying, oh, but you don't look sick, oh, but you look fine, it becomes a little annoying, I guess. So I think you should stop saying that. Also, stop comparing illnesses. You hear somebody saying, oh, you're suffering from multiple sclerosis. I mean, be a little empathetic, I guess. You can't compare two illnesses, or you can't say something like, oh, at least it's not cancer. I mean, think about the people who are suffering from cancer, right? It's not good to comment, to pass such kind of remarks. So, and everyone has their own struggle, whether it be people suffering from cancer or whether it be people suffering from MS or anything else, right? Everyone has their own struggle, so we are nobody to compare. Also, do not give unnecessary suggestions like do this yoga, try that juice or do this, do that. Believe you me, I think people suffering from MS would have tried everything possible. So you don't have to try to bring in something which is like an unsolicited kind of an advice, because honestly we've tried everything. And please don't say you are strong. What if I don't want to be strong all the time, right? We are struggling, and we are facing difficulties, whatever, right? We don't want to be strong all the time. So by saying you're strong, it's just like, I mean, I don't know what to say, but I would not appreciate that. Or maybe you could just say that, oh, I appreciate that you're handling it pretty well, or anything, right? Rather than saying something which does not make any sense, honestly. And this is the worst. Please don't say everything happens for a reason. I'm sure nobody wants to hear that. What reason are you talking about? Who wants to know that everything happens for a reason? And what is the reason then? Can you tell me what the reason is? Why did it happen to me and not, the entire crowd? Because MS happens to 1 in a million, right? It does not happen to anybody and everybody. It's not like a flu. So, if it has happened to me, what is the reason? Do you or do I have any justification? Nobody has, right? Nobody even knows why MS happens. So please stop saying that everything happens for a reason. We have, already talked about it a lot of time ourselves, within ourselves. I'm talking about, I or anybody who's suffering from MS might have, just gone through that thing, like, why me, and tried to find out the reason and not come up with anything, because there's no reason. So please do not say that everything happens for a reason. We don't want to hear that, honestly. So all I'm saying is that words matter, right? Words can make a break. So whenever you are choosing to say something, please be a little careful with your words, so that it does not hurt the other person. That's all I wanted to discuss. And I hope this helps the ones who are not suffering from MS, but who knows people who are going through this MS journey. I hope this helps, right? And people who are suffering from MS can share this video with the ones who are not, so that they are careful about it the next time while talking to you. I hope this helps, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.
Hit subscribe and come along. Your support, it makes me strong. Every storm